welcome you all to this lesson. I'm Sir Gideon Ofori, a student teacher of Fosu College of Education. I welcome you all to this lesson on rankscale, rankshift, and morphemes. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, we will be able to explain what rankscale is and identify the various ranks. Explain rankshift and discuss its functions. Identify the types of morphemes. Differentiate between free morphemes and bound morphemes. Rank scale, grammatical ranks. Elements of language comes in order that we can rank in a hierarchy. A grammatical rank simply means a distinct grammatical unit. Let's look at 5 of these grammatical ranks. The sentence, the clause, the phrase, the word, and the morpheme. Rank scale. What is a rank scale? Rank scale can simply be defined as the hierarchical arrangements of the grammatical units. The arrangement can be done in 2 ways. We have the top to down view, or consists of relationship, and bottom up view, or constituent of relationship. Top down view, or the consists of relationship. This is the arrangement of the grammatical units from the highest to the lowest. This means that the sentence is bigger than the clause is bigger than the phrase is bigger than the word, and the word is bigger than the morpheme, as illustrated below in the diagram. We have the bottom up view, that's the constituent of relationship. This is the arrangement of the grammatical units from the lowest to the highest. The arrow points up showing that morpheme is the lowest grammatical unit and sentence is the highest grammatical unit. Rank shift. Now, what's a rank shift? A rank shift can simply be defined as an instance in which a grammatical unit moves either up or down to perform a function other than its own. Let us now look at some examples. The boy wearing the yellow jersey is in Freeman Hall. The boy wearing the yellow jersey is in Freeman Hall. The underlined grammatical unit is the boy wearing the yellow jersey. In the second sentence, he is in Freeman Hall. The underlined grammatical unit is he. This means that the smallest grammatical unit can perform the same function as the larger grammatical unit. This is termed as rank shift. Now let's look at some examples. Quality teacher trainees are in Fosu College. In the first sentence, the underlined grammatical unit is in Fosu College. Quality teachers are here. In the second sentence, the underlined grammatical unit is here. In this example, we can see that the word here is performing the same function as the phrase in Fosu College. Now test yourself with this short exercise. Identify the various grammatical units underlined in the following sentences and write down the rank shift performed. The lady there is beautiful. The underlined grammatical unit is there. The lady in the bus is beautiful. The underlined grammatical unit is in the bus. The lady who is in the bus is beautiful. The underlined grammatical unit is Who is in the bus? Welcome to the end of our first lesson, where your answers for the exercise as follows: where to phrase and phrase to clause. If yes, congratulations. Let's now look at a subtopic under the rank scale. We are going to talk about morphemes. Now, what is a morpheme? A morpheme is the smallest meaningful grammatical unit in a language. A morpheme could be determined using three criteria. 1. It may be a word or part of word. 2. It can't be divided anymore in smaller units without a change in the meaning. 3. It recurs in several environments with a relatively stable meaning. Types of morphemes. Morphemes can be grouped into a set of categories. These include free and bound morphemes, full and empty morphemes, root and stem morphemes, inflectional and derivational morphemes. Among these sets, we will only be looking at free and bound morphemes. Free morphemes are morphemes that are meaningful on their own. They are referred to as lexical morphemes. On the other hand, bound morphemes are morphemes that are not meaningful on their own unless they are attached to free morphemes. Let us now look at some examples of bound morphemes. Examples of some bound morphemes are ish, as in childish, li, as in boldly, as in singer. Bound morphemes are mostly prefixes and suffixes. Prefix comes before free morpheme, and suffix comes after free morpheme. Let's now look at some examples under prefix. On, as in unhappy. Pre, as in preserve. Re, as in reopen. Suffix. Full, as in faithful. As in player. Ist, as in dentist. Determine the number of morphemes in the following words. 1. Unfaithfulness. 2. Beautifully. 3. Carelessness. Let us now look at the answers. 1. Unfaithfulness contains 4 morphemes. That's faith being the free morpheme, on a bound morpheme, and also a prefix. Full, a bound morpheme and also being a suffix, and ness, which is a bound morpheme and also a suffix. 2. Beautifully, beauty plus full plus ly. This means beautifully contains 3 morphemes, 1 being a free morpheme and 2 bound morphemes. 3. Carelessness. We have care plus less plus ness, with care being the free morpheme, less being the bound morpheme, and ness also a bound morpheme. Now, test yourself with this short exercise. Find the number of morphemes in the following words and write down the free morpheme and bound morphemes in each word. 1. Ungratefulness. 2. Abundantly. 3. Occasionally. Welcome to the end of today's lesson. Were your answers for the number of morphemes in the exercise as follows? If yes, congratulations. Now we'll look at the exercise. Write down the free morphemes and the bound morphemes in each of the words. Congratulations. Bye bye.